Good evening sa all. Good evening sa lahat. Char. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. Hello. Hello, honey, my love, so sweet. Hi. Hello, Judge Pao. Hello, Annihilator Executor. Hi, Judge Pao. Good evening, team. Good evening. Good evening sa all. Gorgeous lady, thank you, Judge Paul. Sana dalawang puso. Hello, Judge, by Tim Harley. Ganda, thank you. Thank you, Judge. Welcome back. Thank you for the people here. Salamat po. Thank you for joining, guys. Salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you. Thank you for the far people here. Sexy. Salamat. Thank you, Judge Pao. Good evening sa all. Annihilator. Annihilator. Alright. Hot Momo. Wala na. Hot Momo. Okay. Thank you for the 7 people here in my life. Salamat. Thank you so much for the 7 people here. Thank you. Baka naman. Patamsak. Tamsak. Hi. Subrata Deloy. Hi. Subrata. Hi, Subrata. Thank you, the 5 people. Thank you for sending hearts. Salamat. Hello, Tiny Shrunk Girl. Hi. Hello. Rick D. Hello, beautiful lady. How are you? I'm good. Rick. Hello, Rick. I'm good. Shure. Hi, I am your subscriber. Thank you. Thank you, Shure. Thank you for, to subscribe. Thank you. Oh, what? Brother, what it is. Thank you for sa 8 people. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. You are gorgeous. Thank you so much. Salamat. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Shre. Salamat sa 12 people here. Salamat. 2 million thumbs up. Salamat sa 2 million thumbs up. And the 12 people. How tall are you? 5'1". 5'1". Thank you for the 16 people here. Where are you from? Tiny Shrunk Girl. Thank you for the 4 thumbs up, guys. Salamat. It's 16 million people here. Thank you so much. Adrian Low. Beautiful. Thank you, Adrian. Thank you. Thank you for the 13 people. Figure you're in category. What category means? I love you so much. Bye. From Adrian Low. Where are you from, Adrian? Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. I love you. Where are you from, Adrian? Lo. Lo. Sometimes. The, Lo. Unfortunately, I was born very small due to a condition. Oh, okay. What condition? What the condition? What's your condition? That's why your name is Tiny Strong Girl. Thank you for the 12 people here joining my live. Salamat. Thank you po. Unfortunately, only dogs all about it. Okay. Ay, nako. Nako. Thank you for the thank you for the 6 people. Uh, Hi, I'm new subscriber. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Sam. Lots of love to you. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. You're looking so beautiful, by the way. Thank you. Can I get a flying kiss? If you don't mind. Flying kiss. Thank you. Are you are you a boy or a girl, Sam? Hello po. Hi, Marlon. Karumayan. Hi, Marlon Karumayan. Kumusta? Salamat. Thank you for the 11 million people. Tiny must be in the Guinness Book of World Record. I have congenital microdevelopia totalis. Okay. How old are you now, tiny shrunk girl? How old are you now? Growth. What? Growth signaling due to a mutation in the IGL receptor gene and GH1 gene growth hormone production, faulty DNA replication enzymes causing the body to perceive early embryonic size as normal. Okay, thank you for educate us. The tiny shrunk girl. Complete development stunting across all organ systems, bones and musculature. Fully proportionate anatomy, just drastically scaled down. Okay, bloody nose. Yes, bloody nose from. I'm 27. Oh, okay. Where are you from, the tiny shrunk girl? Hi, Ben is my name. Hello, Ben. I love you and miss you, huh? Where are you from, Ben? How old are you, Ben? Leo, please speak English. Leo? Who's Leo? How Leo here? Thank you for the 14 people and the 6 thumbs up. I'm old New York. You're from New York. Ben is my name. I love you and would you marry you? Why? You don't know me, Adrian. And I'm taken. I have a boyfriend. I am. It's very embarrassing, huh? It's very embarrassing a lot of the time. Why? Why the tiny shrunk girl? Why embarrassing? Because you are a little one? Hi, BPSC Three Lovers. Hello po. Hi. I'm old, sad, and lonely. Why lonely, Ben? Sir Ben, why lonely? You sad because you're lonely? Leo Ripolletta Jr., good evening, Vice Gabdudong. I'm from Canada, from Chinese Shrunk Girl. Thank you, Leo. Mario Season, hello. Hello, Mario Season. Mario Season. Thank you for the if ever you're in my arms again this time. Adrian Love, very sexy woman who has beautiful eyes. Nosebleed. Nosebleed Sinday. Salamat. Don't be, don't be sad. Just enjoy the life. Hi May from team. Thank you for the eat people thumbs up. Thank you for the give thumbs up. Salamat. And the 5 people from Tiny Shrunk Girl. Most people my age are living the life, able to going out. I'm unable to go out alone. Usually stuck head in someone purse. So tiny. Hi Tim, good evening. Thank you for the eat people. Salamat. Thank you. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Very embarrassing. Don't be feel that tiny shrunk. Maybe God's every God create this have a purpose in this world and need to it's really difficult to say that's sometimes it feels hopeless, no, but with a lot of many things that we think God created the world and create us, so maybe we need to find it, the beauty of the world. God's create this world, so many things what do you call this, so many things that happened in our life, but many things we need to be thankful to God. That's all. Bilisini Kapili from me, Piasi Ariko. Bilisini Kapali Ochi. What it means? Xiao. Xiao no ni mi. Xiao Xiao. Tiny, where it from? She's from Canada. She's tiny. Thin. The rest beautiful. No. No, don't. Huwag kang mag-umpisa, Judge Paul. Naku, magalit na naman yan. Judge, don't start. Sheryl will kick you. Kailangan natin dito ng positive lang. Kailangan natin dito na we need to hear the positive and just enjoy, just friendly, nice, like that. Ray Miller, hello, Get GM Love, the trophy is here. What's up, chat squad? Chat squad. Thumbs up dan maganda, Sheryl. Hi, Greg. Welcome back. Welcome. Guys, Sanders, hello. Hi, guys. Sander, thank you so much for joining us. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you doing? I'm doing fine. Now I'm doing do live na. Sir Jed Parughay. Spanish shrunk girl. I never get treated normal as a child. Yeah, I understand that because you are a very different. That is meant you're very different. You're not belonging. You're a special one. A special one. Spanish shrunk girl. You need to find that you're adult, that you are very special. Timeouts for me was very different to normal people. Yeah, and I understand that you feel that, but I think you are special because you are very different than others. You're unique. Calm down. Hello, Tim. So sweet, thank you. Papa Borikat. Greg. Sino Papa Borikat? Franz Borikat. Shout out, Papa Borikat, Franz Borikat. Pakita mo nga, oh, shut up, Kmart. You're not belong here, sorry. We're not tolerate toxic here, sorry. How is it going? Hi, Desiree. Thank you for joining. Comment, like, and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Greg. Jerry Mark Galayan. Kung gusto mo na mag-join dito sa akin, sabihin mo ng ganyan, naliligaw ka ng landas. So, maybe sa ibang channel ka pumunta at if gawin mo yan. Huwag dito sa akin, hindi ko tinotolerate yung mga ganyan. Hindi ko inaalaw yan sa bahay ko. Ay, hindi ako nagpapasok dito ng toxic. Sorry. When I was in trouble, my mother once put me in her boat. Oh my god! I can guarantee no one else know how horrible that my sister would just be put in the corner. Ugh. Oh my god. Tiny, shrunk girl. What a world. I can't imagine that situation. The situation. Ah, are you okay, Tiny? Matthew Whittington. Good morning. Good morning, Matthew. Where are you from, Mateo? Thank you for joining. Salamat. And then fall in love again. Hi, Mosa, Mosa, Mosa. Mosa, Mosa. Where are you from, Mosa? Mosa. Mosa. 3 times. Where are you from, Mosa? Hello. Mateo, where are you from? Thank you for joining. Hope you subscribe. Thank you. Salamat. Just fall in love again. Thank you for the 12 people here and the 12 thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Mew, 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 may kuting. May kusmag. The kusmag. My background is kusmag. Thank you for the turtle thumbs up. Salamat. Just for love again. Thank you for the 15 people here. Salamat. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Hi, Enery Matan. Hi, Enery. Silent Sniper. Hello, Silent Sniper. Thank you so much. Aday. Just fall in love again. Thank you so much for the 8 million people. Salamat sa 18 people here and that 13 thumbs up. Oh my God. Salamat po. Inari Matan. Hello. Tiny shrunk girl. It was horrible. My condition makes me very durable. She wore me in there to work in the boat. It was very hot and cramped. I am very claustrophobic since. Huh? Oh my God, Tiny. I subscribe because I like it. Thank you, Enori Matan. Thank you so much. Hooray, hooray. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. And you? Where are you from? Hooray, hooray, hooray. Thank you for the 14 thumbs up. Salamat. Then sa 15 people, salamat po sa pag-join. Thank you po. Just fall in love again. Thank you for the 14. Same to you, Philippines. Where are you from, Shure? Shure, where are you from? Thank you for the 15. Another give thumbs up. Salamat. Ganda, salamat. Ganda talaga. Thank you, Judge Pao. Salamat. My sister was very cruel. Oh, Tiny. Masakit ang ulo ko naman. Sumasakit na naman. My sister. Philippines person, why all always happens, smile face, living life, really great. I like it. Yeah, we are always happy even if we have a lot of problems, a lot of death, a lot of work. We choose to be happy always. We will have our problems. Always pretend to be okay, but inside we're not okay. Do you want to know the worst she did? Okay, I want to know what's the worst she did, Tiny. What the worst she did? Thank you for the 16 people. Thank you so much. And 15 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. And that just fall in love again. Thank you po for the nine people. Do you want to know the worship? Tell me. Say it. Thank you for the first 12 people. Aray, masakit talaga sa mata. She took me jogging with her and to the and she took me jogging with her and to gym. You couldn't even guess where. Where? Where? Uh, where? Like, oh, oh. Just fall in love again. What do you mean? A bit tiny. You said you're 8 inches tall, and Canada has no record of a 8 inches tall person. Yeah, I didn't know, no record for 8 inches. I think it's a world record breaking. Genius, Guinness World Record. You need to, like, it's a record breaker. 8 inches, too, too small. I can't imagine. I can't imagine. She had me tied to the top of her shoe under the laces. Oh my god. It is, hey, Tiny shrunk out. Your story is really true that you are an 8 inches only. I can't imagine 8 inches. You're looking so cute. Thank you, Sam. Sure, thank you, Sam. No problem, Cheryl. From Shure. You want any help to tell me? Be happy always. Yeah, thank you, Shure. Can I get a flying kiss from you, Sam? Flying kiss? Hmm. So, Sam, are you a girl or a boy? Maybe just a little girl. So little. Thank you for the 16 people here. Salamat. You look so young, Miss Jomar Romeo. I'm not young. I'm 40 years old. Not young. I'm old. I'm old woman. Ah, no, it's a troll. It's a troll. I am visiting your country once. I like it. Really? We're here. We are here in the Philippines. You visited. Very old she is. Yeah. I'm too old. I have wrinkles na. The wrinkles. Thank you for the 10 million people. Yeah, salamat. 15 thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. From Philippines. And you, Joma Romero. Where are you from? Siguro dito ka lang sa Pilipinas. Where are you from? Nabasa cellphone ko. Bakit? Bakit Mapsi nabasa cellphone mo? What happened? What do you mean? Thank you for the 17 people. The live. Salamat. Naligo ka sa dagat, tapos nasa bulsa mo yung cellphone mo. Alam ko nangyari. Tapos, nag-jive ka. Nandun pala yun. Nabasa. Excited lang. Charot. Thank you sa 18 people here. Nag-join. Salamat. It's like 16 thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. Mapsi English, please. Mapsi paki-English daw. Where in Philippines? From Luzon. I'm from Luzon, Bicol Province, Philippines. From Luzon, Bicol Province, Jomar. And you, where are you from, Jomar? Parang na ako na naman. Sakit na naman ang mata ko. Ay, God. Sakit na ang mata ko. Sakit ang ulo ko pala. Where are you from? Thank you for the 15 people here. Salamat. Sorry. What are you doing, Cheryl? Job or business? A job. Just job. I am just an ordinary employee. No business. No Mopsy. Mopsy. I'm from Toronto, Canada. Okay, Jomar. Are you, how old are you, Jomar? How old are you? Thank you for the 18 people here joining. Thank you so much for joining. 18 people. Thank you for joining my live. Salamat. Thank you po. Are you drunk? No, just headache. Not drunk. Just headache. I feel it. I'm not drunk. Not drunk. I'm not. You're natural beauty person. No makeup. Really. I don't know how to make up, honestly. But I want makeup. See, when you research people like Tiny, they disappear. I don't know what happened. She just joined. She just joined. I don't know. Someday I found someone who really loves Thank you for the 16 people here and the 16 thumbs up. Salamat guys. I'm 45 years old. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you, Jomar. Axel Cole. Hello. What it means? Dutes Salam. What's the Dutes? Where are you from, Axel? Hi, Axel. Where are you from? I think it's do you like Burman? What Burman? What do you mean, Jomar? The Burman. What's that? Upside down, bouncing off the calling inside it. He means big man. Ah, big man. Why Burman? It's a big man. Why? Why you asking me like that, Jomar? With a hairy chest. I am 100 years old. Oh, sure. Wow. 100 years old. Sana all. Rico. Sana all 100 years old. Arivana Moran. Boom. Super hello. Hello. Maxi ever been to Metro Malena or Manila? Maybe Manila. I work in Manila since 2007. Just going back here in Bicol in 2020. I worked there for a long time. 2007 I worked in Manila. I just coming back here and back home here in Bicol in 2020. So 5 years now in Bicol. Arriba Namoran. What means? What? What do you mean? Hey, Elisus Abad. Hi, Elisus. Hairy man, not big man. Hi, thank you for the 20 people here. Salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 20 people. And the 16 thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Tournament. See, some are Jamar. Some are Jamar. That means like everyone know. Why no? Do you have messenger? You who's talking me? Judge Pao? The Bicol summer. At sa bawat minuto, gusto ka nang sumagot. Not allowed to give it out, Judge. Aragon Moran, correct cow. Ati Otrudia. What means Aragon? Can I have your messenger? Hi. Wala naman. Hi, Axel. Where are you from, Axel? No judge. No, hindi ako pwede No, I have no messenger. Just Facebook, charot ha. Adaw, kay ba sa mga comment din eh. Mao nga ni, kay ba? Thank you. Hindi ko na maintindihan. Thank you for the 17 people here na. Are you Catholic? Yes, I'm Christian. Catholic Christian. Yes, I am. What? Excel. I don't understand. Everyone Moran. Oh, what is that? Mandaom. Ah, hindi ko maintindihan. Thank you for the 18 people here. Salamat. Everyone, English, please. So, Axel, can you translate in English and you can comment here? I want to understand what you're saying. Sorry, why? You can speak Tagalog or English. Where are you from, Axel? Maybe you are from other thing. You're the Dutch. Germany? Ano? Nano pa ba yan? Speak English, please, because I don't understand. What means under sketch Excel? Meg Ellis under sketch. What means Excel? What do you mean? Where are you from, Excel? Are you Estel V? What is Estel V? What is that? Estel V. What is Estel? Hi, you remember me? Hi, my friends. I remember you. You joined my live in few days. Yeah, past days. Well, how are you? Hi, my friends. How are you and what are you doing now? Welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back again. My live. Salamat with my friends. Uy, musta ka na, mahal? Linda Arsena. Mahal? Sino po sila? Linda Arsena. Sino po sila? Like your profile picture. Thank you, Tiny. Have you taken the train yet? Yes. Yes. Asawa mo? Wala akong asawa. Naliligaw ka ng landas. Linda. Wrong channel ka. My profile picture is of me and my mother is partial in it. Really? Nasa tamang landas ako, mahal. Taga saan ka, Linda? Linda, taga saan ka? Robert Scratch. What means exile? Sa live mo ang tamang landas. Ay, nako. Valenzuela. Ikaw, mahal, taga saan ka? Walaan mo. Ang pangarap ko. Thank you sa 14 people here. Salamat. And the 16 16 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Okay lang po kung ayaw. Thank you, Judge Pao. Salamat, Judge Pao. Taga saan ka, mahal? Mahal ang bigas. Mahal ang bigas. Axel. Okay. I don't understand Axel. Ay, hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Visayas. Visayas ang alin, Mapsi. Kailan mo ko pakikilala kay mommy at daddy natin? Ay, nako. Hindi nga kita kilala eh. Judge asked you to speak English. Axel? Axel, can you know? Thank you for the 12 people here. Thank you so much. Michael po from Valenzuela, Caloocan. 33. Okay. Batang-bata ka pa. You're too young, Linda. You're too young. Linda, speak English. You're too young, Linda. You need to, ano, speak English. Thank you for the 19 people here. And just try to make a chance. Take it easy. Ilang baby ba gawin? Ano ba yan? Kulit mo? Dito ka lang sa may tabi ko. Hala, nangaraw na sige si Linda. Hala na. Umpok man si Linda. Judges. Ay, nako. Hindi ako. Linda. Hindi mo ako maiisahan. Linda. Wag ako. Wag ako, Linda. Don't try me. Char. Hala, nangarap na si Linda. Ay, no. Good evening, sis. Good evening to everyone. Hi, sis. Say, my sister here na. Axel, can you speak English? Axel. Thank you sa 13 people here. Salamat. Howard Maitland. Hello, you are new to YouTube. Not new. I'm not new in YouTube. Hi, Christy. She's my sister. Goodbye, I'm going to sleep. Okay, Mapsi. Thank you, Mapsi. Salamat sa pag-join, Mapsi. Sleep well. Good night. Thank you, Howard Maitland. Thank you. I'm not like is K na ay parapol madam. Wala tayong parapol. Mahirap lang ang host. Mahirap lang ang host. Walang parapol si madam. Okay, I subscribe. Thank you, Howard Maitland. Thank you so much, Howard. Excel, can you speak English? Excel. Please. Howard Maitland. Where are you from, Howard Maitland? Wala na. Dito ka lang. Dito ka lang sa may. Salamat sa 7 people. 16 thumbs up. Salamat po. Dati. Bisaya man, di ay kahos. Nakadiin kahos. Di man ako Bisaya. Taga Bicol po. Bicolana. Ayun, baby, I love you, my heart for you, for you. Sa wakas. Nag-English ka din, Axel. Where are you from, Axel? What country? Nag-English ka din. Ang tagal. I'm not baby, I'm old. Don't call me baby. Kasabot ra di ay mo Bisaya di ay. Kasabot man pero diyot lang. Kasabot man pero diyot lang. Nanosblid kita kanaks. Totoo. Ano ba yun kay Axel? Mga taga Bicol. Yes, taga Bicol. I'm from Canada. Oh, welcome. Welcome, Howard. Nice to meet you, Howard Maitland. Maraming salamat din po sa pagtrato ng mga moderator niyo sa akin. Thank you, Judge Pao. Salamat, Judge Pao. Kung gusto, may paraan. Salamat, Judge Pao. Thank you po. Likey English, please. Salamat po, Judge Pao. Kung ayaw, may dahilan. Hala na, yan na tayo. Hala. Team Bisaya, please. I said English, Judge. Ayan na. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. If ever you're in my arms again, was just you second, she don't. Oh my God. Paalam. Bye-bye, Howard Maitland. Thank you. Paalam. Paalam sa'yo. Thank you, Sir Howard Maitland. Thank you for joining. Hope come again. Unsay nindot suruyan diya Bicol, madam. Hindi ko na naintindihan sinabi mo. Pikin nyo, pakitagalog na lang kay diyot man lang konti lang alam ko ng Bisaya. Hindi na makasabot talaga, oy. Konti lang sabot ko sa Bisaya. Pakitagalog naman. Baka naman marunong ka mag-Tagalog. Baka naman. Baka lang naman. Kung hindi, is English gasabot mas gasabot ko English gag Bisaya. Hindi ko masabot talaga, pero naintindihan ko konti lang, diyot lang. Did you put him? Yeah. Thank you for the happiness. Mag-aral tayo Bisaya. What was he wanting? Wanting what? Who's wanting? Who? Who's wanting? What was he wanting? What was he wanting? Thank you for the 7 thumbs up. Salamat. Who team? Who was he wanting? What was he wanting? Aray. Kulog na ulo ba? Judge. I don't know. I don't know. Pwede bang? Thank you for the 18 thumbs up. Salamat. Ay ko. Ang sakit na sa ulo ah. People there in America are busy. Busy time, no? People there. Busy day. Working day. Well, his last comment was, if you want to sew, you don't know. You don't know. I don't know. Yes, I don't know. I'm. Okay. Okay, all right. Thank you for the 16 people. Sana all. How many? Almost 1 hour na naka-live. We're going to team. You're going outside na. Thank you for the 19 thumbs up already. Salamat. Thank you. Pwede bang dito ka lang? And this is the first time you got up. Got up? Get up. What do you mean? What do you mean? Get up. What do you mean, team? No, not yet. Okay. The boss is have an own time. Yes, boss. You're the boss. At sa bawat minuto, and walk around on all your other lives. You walk around. You walk around. Yeah. No, we are equal. Okay. Oh. Suddenly. Big face. That's good. Para papa. Why sitting? Thank you for the 20. Why sitting? No need to walk. No need to walk. Alright. Nantok na. Salamat sa sa nanonood sa lang viewers. Yo. Again. This time I love you much better. Kung hindi ako narapat sa'yo, mas mabuti pa. Yes. Thank you sa 9 people. Viewers. Ay, salamat 11. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up 20. Thank you po. Salamat po. Nantok na. Ay, ko lang kaya. Thank you for the 21 thumbs up. Salamat. Wait a minute. Kaping mainit. Either you're with me or again. This time I love you much better. Salamat sa nanonood. Thank you so much for the 9 people. Maano sa mata na. Screen sana. Kulong. Makulong sa pag nakatuto. Ready. Thank you sa 11 sa viewers, no? Parang parang biglang tahimik Anyari. Again. Ay, may nagano pala. May nagano pala. Hindi ko nabasa. I'm not married. Zoom picture. I'm not married. Hey, I'm getting the case for talent today. I'm tablet. Yes. And tomorrow I'll probably send it. Yes. Thank you. I'm happy. I'm happy the chocolates. You still have a channel. Yes, she have a channel. Good night to all. Good night, Sisi. Again, still hard. Still hard? Remember me. Hi, Marcos. I remember you, Marcos. Chowdhury. Hello, baby. Chowdy Jet. Where are you from? Chowdhury. Chowdhury, where are you from? Hello, are you sister? Sister. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Yes, okay. Hello. Ay, nako, yan dito naman si Berteng. Pasabay naman to si Berteng. Naghasik ka na naman ng lagim. Meh. No. Where were you so many days? Where were you so many? What do you mean? Your channel name Christy Marmal. Yes. Sure, yes. New YouTube. She's new YouTube. New here on YouTube world. What I mean. Thank you for the 12 people. Shure, where are you from? Shure. Pompiang 12. Christy, I subscribed you just now. Thank you, team. Bye, sister. Bye. Take care. Water, Har Ali. Bye. Sometimes I find someone who really loves me. Indeed, the one you call me baby. Someday. Show. Ah, Junior, you again. Ah, I'm muted. Sorry. I'm muted. Hello, taga asa ka man ka. RPC Ball, taga Bicol po. Bicol Province. Hi, Rodrigo. 22. Good night, my friend. Good night. Thank you so much. How I'm good. Now I do. Now you do. You're God. It was your day, my friend. Day? Every day it was my day. Good morning. How are you? Maybe morning there, Richard, but here, night now. Night here. I'm also subscribed, Christy. Thank you, Shure. Thank you. All good. Yes, all good. No, I hear you. Okay. No, I hear you. Okay. You are cute. Thank you, Richard. Where are you from, Richard? Hi, hit like and subscribe, friends. Okay, thank you, Rodrigo. Where are you from, Richard? Tip, like, okay, see. Your time present. Time here now, 9:21 in the evening. I am from California. Okay. Nice to meet you, Richard, from California, USA. What's the name of wherever you're in my arms again. This time I love you much better. Junto, hi Junto. You are single. Yes, I'm not single. I'm at work, my friend. Passing by to see good night. Okay. Thank you, Rodrigo. Good night, Rodrigo. You're at work now. Maybe morning there now. Bye bye. See you, girl. Thank you, Rodrigo. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Hello, how are you doing? I'm do live. Just sit down and do live here on YouTube. Thank you, Junto. Don't forget like my friends, okay? Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Hi, I'm from Salo sa Init, Salo Salamig. Na yung kaanangan eh. Yung kain na. Oh, you look chill. Thank you. Thank you. But you like schoolgirl, Cheryl. Huh? You like schoolgirl? I'm not schoolgirl. Have coffee for me there, my friend. Thank you. Okay, yes, I love coffee. I'm a coffee lover. What is your job? What is your work, Rodrigo? What is your work? You look like a girl. Traveler. Hey Sue from Philippines. Saan ka dito sa Pilipinas? No coffee. Why? No coffee. Bakit naman no coffee? Hindi ko na makita ang ano. Bakit nagbago na? Bago ng lahat. Pero sinayang mo ko mananatiling Hindi ko na nakita ang ano. Parang nagbago yun eh. Axel, hello. Axel, you're going back to, no, you need to speak English, Axel. Bye, thank you for your kindness. Bye-bye, Rodrigo, and thank you so for your kindness too. Thank you so much. I have coffee, Rodrigo. Do you want? Rodrigo. Are you from Philippines? Yes, traveler from Philippines. And you? Are you from Philippines? May. Excel, please, English, please. Belgium. I know. You're from Belgium, I think. No. Are you from Belgium, Axel? No. Yes, Rodrigo. Kulit. What city island? I'm from Luzon, Bicol province. Luzon, Bicol province. Region 5. Completo. Bye, me. Thank you, coffee. Delicious. Bye-bye, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Axel, can you speak English, no, please? Thank you, Axel. Oh. Ayan, nagbabago na naman naman. Okay, bye, Rodrigo. Thank you. Baby, baby, I love you, my heart for you. Your friend. Axel. You need to learn English, Axel. Hi, hugs from Brazil, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo from Brazil. Thank you so much for joining. Take care. God bless there. I do, my headaches. I need to end the live na. Bye-bye, guys. Ah, thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. God bless us all. See you tomorrow again. Bye-bye.